Mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV, karibu sana guku otogodai kuongi kwira ni kwa Muthingi TV. Antoko tukinyitanira nawe tabarira-ini ege ya gatha citu hatukwira ni haria tugikoragwo tukiaririria uhoro wigie maundu mothe makiria uria maraikorwo makihanika guku na kimoni moni kana na githongo magitaga society-ini ana makiria tukoragwo tukigeria gukorwo tugicaria ihonia muthenya wa umuthi tukorwo tukirunga ciegie mĩciĩ ana makiria uria andu maikoragwo magiikarania kana nicio cietagwo family dynamics. Karibuni sana tukorwo tukiraniria na inyuĩ kuria nenda-inĩ citu ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria mwena wa Facebook ario Muthingi TV, mwena wa YouTube ni Muthingi TV, ana guothe Instagram, X kana gitagwo Twitter, guothe tukiri kuo ario Muthingi TV. Gikunyita ũgeni gagitika kairetu ka mathako kana that sports girl wa boy wa Jau, na ningi ndigikoragwo ndi wika kuona ati ngirena muruna wakwa uria ugitwo
na niĩ ngetwo Bill Hanyaguthie.
Na ndureka ati nduramongerera
ki
wagire by the way biko kwitarere na ningetwo social media guru you know ani ndu wa marketing
ni utegeirwo gukorwo makimenya maundu maingĩ
mamenyo haha tu marakuona
exactly
muthenya mothere. It's a very sensitive topic hari andu aingi tondu maundu ni maingi makiumagira guku nja na muthenya wa mothere ndetwaria horo wigie mĩciĩ makiria families muno ni tuko tukirora horo wigie kwina kikwiragwo ati mwana first born ati the moment watongana na mundu mwaria ni wigua uyo ni akwira uyu ni first born mwaria na mundu kaigua uyu ni last born. Ningi ni ukoraga ningi kwina haranio aga first born matiraiguana na third born ni favorite wa last born nona kwani uko na maundu ta mau by the way
they are there
wait favorite wow
first born definitely
alright your last born
why would you say so
ona totally ona itako
asha wo toni onjoy many people would think that I'm a last born
because most of the last borns makoragwo mahana kiria makao mahana ciana cia first borns like the first borns ni matritaga dikoda ni kuwa ni to tritaga because I'm not a first born ni to ni matritaga last borns ta ciana ciao na ni mamekaga sure ciana citineka ati
and actually they take up the responsibility of a mother, a father, depending na gender ya first born. Yes.
And I would say first born, I would say that it's not a fun place to be. I'm a first born daughter, and it's never fun.
Why?
Because tukuaga ciana ici ngitari ciana citu, like all your responsibilities tucitika ni citu. We are your deputy parents. The moment aciari matari ho, we step in. So it's always hard todo. For example, tugetawe ugo we last born. The moment waga kido, the first person you think about calling, especially when you're not in good terms mono na mamu wanyu, the first person ugiciragia kuhurira ni sister yako kana brother yaku ria munene. Ni ukane maheni.
Well, I am not sure it applies to each and every family because as for me, okay, like to get the money in, let us go back.
Way back.
Yes, way back. Unaona nikiwa primary, kulikuanga na hizi school trips and everything. So nie ndiarihagira gwate ni mushiari. I used to call my big sister na mwambia hai sasa next month tunaenda trip Gilgil koko twathia ko na Dynamite weta watia
career zikagata wado career Lucy ya Masoro.
I used to call my big sister namwambia hey next month ni gwake haririe parafarie amenyage next month ni arari hake trip and she used to do that for me, but now as I got bigger I find it so hard kumwitia kido ndudige karogwa tejaye kido ati nipige my big sister no. I feel like I'm a grown woman, I should
look it for yourself.
They past that to go gimwitia something.
But do you feel especially adwa yaitwa ne mahika kana mahika nieri, do you feel like where we tell us the born, let me use you as a good example. Has it affected you in a way like no or the way you are tenere tigwo we ho uthaishi?
Yeah, a lot, because unaona tukiwa shule kampo, my big sister used to take care of me, like nilikuwa najua I weekly niko na kakitu from my big sister. Juu hiyo time hakuwa married, but now as she got married, had kids, unaona sasa huwezi enda kumuitisha juu mtu ako na familia yake, haezi kuput first venye alikuwa na kuput first. So pia wewe you feel embarrassed kwenda kumwambia hapo sijui sina, sijui nataka, ni wewe utaitisha ama ni watoto wake?
Some of us cannot relate to that. Yeah, too bad. I think I'm the big sister who will always be called at midnight, at 1 in the AM, says I'm stuck here, and I'm like, yo, who do you think mimi naitishanga?
But I feel like inaenda both ways. Juu sahi hata mimi napigiangwa, najua mimi ni last born, but
yeah, but they can't matikinyaga that extent ya ati no ginya. You see, for me thaishi ndigigeria ku convince brother yakwa ule we campus ati ndire ndigigeria ndigihota ku convince sister yakwa ati ndire ndigihota ku convince mwana witu ule we nathari kana wiko ati ndire. They know that whenever you are oko we munene wina bia.
That's the worst part ya uko we mundu munene.
And then again ni ukoraga first borns, especially daughters, netudampagirwo a lot of family problems, and sometimes personally I wish I didn't know them. Honestly, sometimes I wish I didn't know some problems.
Why?
Because for example, academic put in this manner. Mamu itore tuge tene muno turia nini re tuge ni maruaga na anti fulani kito mwite anti Joki. Mamu itore maruaga na tata Joki. We didn't know when we are young because we never saw them getting physical or something, but they had their beefs or something. Probably uncle fulani ni amurete kuwa hikire keke. You see, demo anare dioi. But they would demonene thaishire because my mom needs to open up because kedoki wakurete awe
agekuwete
idhu ogwo turakurari nogwo akoragwo gikuwete. So the moment danene hari nyoka ukabikoigwa ana tata wanyu fulani ajirire. So mimi the things that they are doing, they always dump on their firstborn daughters because they feel like we are their best friends. Okay, we are their best friends, but I feel like sometimes parents should know that it affects us in a way.
I don't think they dump it on every firstborn daughter.
Me personally, I'm
also a lastborn and I experienced such. Ugakoraga ati ona ni urerwo ona ngani ugire agatore arogi
ona brother kwa jahau hako ona brother yake arekire ona ngani arajirire
ti ona guka wanyuaga
ona baba wanyu ugire ukarigwo ngai
ati ona tata wanyu uria uikaraga ngakuri he arokire haha hindi ngi na ndanangeithia
nona thina waku ni na tini ndirakirikiria ri. But there's something I always tell my mom, like ngorwo ndi open, yeah. There's something I always tell my mom, if in case magigakinya ni marua, because it happens. It happens. Magigakinya ni marua hihi na doa kana ni marua na the sisters, the nini, make sure that beef weyo either de natokinyira tweshiana. You have a problem with your sister, I don't have a problem with my cousin.
I feel like most parents ni makoragwo na ihinda irito go separate beef ciao na ciana ciao. Ukoragwo rakuithio murigo wa kumena tata wanyu and you have no problem with her. Hamja beef na yeye. She's really nice to you. No riu tondu matigwana na mamu wanyu ri
tata wanyu akamikuwa atiriri ona kana kindu ndagirehe kiria.
And then ndio ka kwanyu ni muri mwa experience riri. Unaona hivyo uko na aunties and uncles. Ugakoraga your auntie ni akwirire kiundu, a very bad thing utura ugikuwete.
I don't know kana ni ikoragwo emishini mingi answering to that. For me, I think we have meaning differently because tutikureire no guo gwakoragwo na kiria na icagi ati inywe mwakite haha anko yanyu kama wakite haria anko Kariuki akite haria sisi witu twekuraihu. So the nini of kupatana noga probably kwena family gatherings ama kwena maundu kwena maundu mara happen kana kwe magogona ta mau maria mara happen. So tutikurete na kirire ya gukorwo twi. In fact, more funny enough, no ngoro itoe some of my cousins. Yes, I might not kwina tungicemania nao moge no njitagwo ngania ngakuria witu muno ni kuri Wainaina wewe wa akandi gukwelethera nie ngade wa ngania. Yeah, I may feel to
you holo close ile like and first cousins.
Yeah, first cousins, of course, first cousins ni demoe, but sasa nona ya gukathuthaini aria tukira tugiciaranirwo the same age bracket acio ni demoe, but when it comes to aya nini re, most of them I may fail to know them.
I think there are gotikoragwo na boundaries hoka ni hao, cause nie ni ndinderwo kiundu and I'm like hey wonire ujire tu uguo
ni tata wanyu
ni
okay,
yes,
yeah. How is the
relationship
with her?
I won't digehota riu gukiuga haha king'ang'a-ini because it's embarrassing first of all.
But how is your relationship with her?
Well, because ndari munini, I think nilikuwa class 7, 6 hapo, but sijaisahau. The relationship might be okay because
you grew.
Na nikaiput past behind me, but sijaisahau. I might say I forgive her, but
you still remember what she said. Like you be kind with their words. I feel like most of the aunties, they don't care what they say. Most of the family members don't care about what they say because niago aodo okaligwo if you get mwana wako uguo because they don't put it
and then to make matters worse aliniambia tukiwa na kazini yangu mtoto wake.
Oh no.
Now she was blaming the mistake her daughter made on me. Yes, and then I felt no did that. Lu de muonaga hingo ciothe each and every time ngaririkana kiundu kiu.
Oh God.
Yes.
Oh, let's talk about sibling rivalry. Like your brother doesn't want kukuona ukinyite handu hana aga ni arerirwo kiundu kina ni brother fulani
aga ni araiguire ni uigite milioni ati umeweka 1 name kwa bank
ni akarire. Do you know most of them mushie megire kendige kuput meshie ya kiria meshie ya thaicire? I feel like it's different the generation that is coming. Yes, but the generation iria twarire nigana wigua gicagi enwe kama una ndangihituka hang'ania
matiguithanagia na brother yake ati ona hakuhe matemangane.
I remember there's a friend, I would call him not really a friend, I would call him, he was my former boss. Digoti dagigweta haria kiriare but haria makete re because alikuwa na narrate your story Facebook. Haria makete re makete kwa gicagi. I think like 3, I think there are 3 or 4 brothers, I'm not so sure, but uria munini fiore oyo dedete oyo munene. Deure haria mageraga mishio yothe ina as a common route. Haria mathia kumira gate ni they have a common route. Deure oyo we munene
so homestead nemwe.
Yes. Deure oyo munene ri of course ndagikite na kuria kienda. Gaka nini gatikire na guku fara-ini ene ndu gatika kinoge ni ndu waku
kumira gate.
Gatika kinoge ni ndu waku kumira gate ni. Now oyo kiria o munini ri he said uria munene ri ndagacoke kugera haha gate nino. Yes, ake gate yake. I don't know.
Na kiada.
Ake ature gate yake nako kana ko metura mafece-ini ya bate nako kana ciana ciake ire thia kurio ni ndarenda kumenya. But he said he doesn't want to gwake kugeragwo gate ni hau ndagacoke kuranga hau hake. And it got so bad, like it got so physical, like very physical. Todo the first time at the brother athire kunyua, and the big brother agitwo ni mutumia oyo munini akimwira ariria ng'ania gikiariria akimuria uranyingirira witao. Yes, uranyingirira witao. The second time ati agitukirirwo the wife called the big brother. Of course no idoge there's hierarchy oria ugutwara maundu na watha icio ngihikare wahikio tuge ni mwana uria munini you start with ukiambataga nigetha before kinyiria ciari. Aya the wife ucio gikiariria kiuria ucio ni araingirira mucii wake. The third time amutemire na banga gutu. Yeah, it was a police case. amutemire na banga gutu na akimura ndacoke kugera hau.
What was the cause of their enmity?
Enmity, I feel like probably, of course, Dagike explained the deeper career, the deeper issues, but he says the nini of the most nini that happened was kwariria gutumwo ni mutumia uratumwo gwako atia, you know, we urerwo uke ujaririe why we nduthi wake gwaku.
And the parents,
I think the parents are, if I'm not so wrong, ni mundu mukuru. The former is ni mundu mukuru.
What about the other siblings? Acio meha gatagati-ini.
They avoid the last born plague.
Also, the last born is the problem.
Yeah, he's very bad. Like ni mwaki.
But do you also feel like sometimes aciarire kana the guardians aria magitigitwo muci ucio, do you feel like huwa wanachangia when it comes to family conflict?
Yes, because they have a special one. They have that uria toragio.
Na uria ukoragwo na mbeca muno uria uinukagia kindu
talk of
regularly.
That. Talk of that.
Yes, ucio niwe ukoraga like he whatever he she niwe the favorite.
No gakora atirire most of the time agiko tuge nita kureka taru kwa kwena family kindu kwena shire wa family ri we niwe his or her last stand iyo niyo yoyagwo tanja
niwe uragio
agikuga mugunda ucio wendio
niwe ahuragiragwo thimu na ngwira ri hanari we kuona atia
ndauga mugunda ucio ri koniguo wena thina ri mathindu tinie kuota yaku
ona tigo guo ikoguo ndumuingate
mafio.
Exactly. So gakora ona ngania ni aigatirwo simply because the other sibling alisema there's no need of keeping him there tondu gutiri undu areka. And most families wako hivyo no hari andu mahithaga kiria
no waiti mahithaga anyway
na kuhithirira maundu ma micii but they are very messed up.
Afu ugakora riri uyu wamenirwo ri o wamenirwo ni akoragwe mugi but because ndakona mundu wake ndakona mundu wa kumusupport ri akigira macohi-ini ama he or she fell into depression.
Yes.
Kana agithia akihika ndainukaga. You know,
sometimes nyonaga ta you see most people who drink a lot. Aria tuga ni drunkards aya makoma mutaro nginya gukiuraga. I feel like something happened at home and they have no one to talk to because everyone turned their backs on them. Riu monaga the only solution they have need rauga kunywa njohi ni solution because it has never and it will not be a solution. Njohi ni ya gwikenia on most part. No nyona amwe tamanyuaga simply because they have no one to talk to. No one wants even to talk to them, to be associated with them.
No, the more surathi on wathi kwaria they listen to you but na kinyururi like why you doing that?
And then like go ria kiuria I will do it ogo getatia but I want to know your opinion on it. Na maybe opinion ya mwiroreri ko nowe. Let's say you have someone who drinks a lot, could be an uncle, a relative onywa muno, and then na bado anadu drugs and everything. And then all your thina ni kiri ugage ni mutumia wake.
How?
Yeah,
how is your wife leading you to drugs?
I don't know.
That's awkward, that's weird, that's your problem because if mutumia ni arakurehera mau mothe there's an need of divorce. Why don't you divorce the wife and look for your happiness?
Do you feel like there is some truth in it? No. Do you feel like the man is just trying to find an excuse ya kunywa na gwika maundu maria mothe arenda? Iyo
no cover up nigetha muone mutumia tari the kiria muone mutumia niwe muru, but if why would you get to kiria ginya ya drugs na wina kiria ya kumutiga o uria mwendanire it's the
I also think you ikoragwo ri thina ya wa mundu as in that's your problem. That is something you have to work on
yourself. True.
Utige ku blame andu aria angi.
On that rim ohoro wigie kiria do you feel like most of us aria twariciarirwo ni millennials do you feel like niturutithagia black tax? Like your mom will always remind you ndagi guciarire waboi ndagikire
na ngiguthomithia ene wewe no we uthomete
mucio okay ndenda kuhuthira kiria
tumira tu
they should, I think millennial parents they should learn that there's no favor that they did us. Hatia ina favor matwikire ya gutugia It was a blessing, and
you didn't even choose to be born.
The problems are too many. They should know that ni responsibility yao.
Yeah,
no aciara mwana ukamurera ugathomithia o haria arienda guthie, that was your responsibility, but this nini of I
also feel like it's a burden over black tax, like simply because domire ina kiria in a well-to-do background go kuidagio murigo wa, like you have to take care of everyone, you have to do everything right, yani before wakete gwaku wabe wake kwanyu. Yet you are not supposed to be doing that.
That was their problem.
Yes. I know it sounds bad, but
in fact, imagine me agree with you 100%, because we are parents are leading kids to children to depression with them without knowing, because ogakora tere utugeta first born niathie niumira town ino ngai ni amuigana ririega at least ena he can do something for himself. Why don't you let that child abe yake the moment arekia kweyaka, because he has a life outside family.
Yeah.
He has a life out there. Why don't you let abe yake akirekia kweyaka ri nikiro murenda gwakiro ni agwaka and gutie mundu ikaragwo gwakaga ni ndingiaka gwito nie unless there is a lot of githogothanio. In fact, all of us want to win and our parents to win.
Yeah.
Kainona design eno ni ogenda gwakira mamu wito, because I have seen them struggle, I have seen them raise me with a lot of problems na digenda makure o haria ndatigire o haria ndaciarirwo noho magakurira. But in as much as ndirenda gweka uguo I have to build myself first. Igugwaka iteyakite
kuri aciari actually mataragiragia ciana ciao tondu nginya ndugituma kindu atiga nake ucio njigua thukuma Nairobi na nginya ndari anjikiria ĩngĩ 500
sukari mani tamaka akiratumia ngurubu nionete difference ya modern parenting na parenting ya tene.
I think I told you hede geturari supermarket like I'm sorry to say so cause my mom is also a millennial and everything. But I feel like matire nakiria respect. Unaona ile gitio simply tondu mundu riu ni aguciarire ri ndari undu atangikwirania.
Bani, yeah, true.
They don't care. Ya anaongea tu hadi mbele ya watu, anaongea tu, anakuongelesha venye anataka na ni mama yako.
I feel like most of the people who suffer from low self-esteem yabagia kwao.
Exactly.
Wabira unaona ati doge tu tena doge, dogeka alafu ule makariganirwo parents ni makoragwo they have a lot of karaguroremerwa muciari ni riro koragwo na hinya muno. Waoria mwana waku ukahikio no, what will God listen to?
na nyina arahoire ndakahike.
I would say that I have nijere tigucera nime wata kuingirana na aciari tene engikirora riu mami aunties akwa shosho, and I have also gone with the modern parenting. I can tell you for free, if there was something I would want to be and something I will always admire to be, is an intentional parent, because I want to put life in my child's life. I want to remind them every day, like in as much as umekosea, mistakes are meant to be made. Mistakes are meant to be there, but you don't have to always round up yourself.
I also feel like parents nio magirire ginya gututeithia kumenya talents shito at a very young age. Do you know your talents? Because I don't know mine. No.
I think the high school dagaririe kuina. Then I found, okay, I love singing, but I feel like if I was mentored kitambo.
Ona kono wageragia mamu anyu mukiruga hau riko gathio kamuinira gakwira atirire waboi uraina wega
teheri negene haha eheri negene hawa waboi negene ri urahura Ukarigwo Ngai, how am I supposed to know? Niere, nona from kitambo, I have not, okay, wasn't motene dearly that talkative. No, I feel like harĩa mamu witũ tondũ nĩ harĩa njiraga, hey, ni ndarigirwo ũrĩa wahingũkire. If she noticed harĩa ndahingũkire, nĩ angĩeni mentally njire, hey, na ũguo mũndũ ari ũguo, mũndũ, you can be a public speaker, you can be a politician. No rĩu watu akwaria Ngai, wambo itakira mani ona nĩ gũtukire.
I also really liked writing muno kuma ndĩ yeah. Rũrĩ ndarigagwo atĩrĩrĩ Ngai, rĩu ngwandĩka ngũthi kuonia ũũ nĩ Kenya ndĩkire, because my mom is so busy. Athire o kĩroko arĩcokanga ngĩthi gũkoma, rĩu nginyoka rigwo atĩrĩrĩ ũrĩ mũneri mani arĩ ona nĩ ũkamũne agakwĩra atĩrĩrĩ nĩ ngarora rũciũ thaa ici ndingĩhota rũciũ ndakahingũraga kwa ndarona ati ndakĩhũra nguo nĩ kĩrĩa gĩaku gũthoma ka nĩ kũrĩ. On that note, nĩ tũkwandĩkĩte maũndũ matano Maria mũtũrĩre gũthomithĩtie. So I want to hear about what has life taught you. I think I should go first. Yes, please do. Number one, and I've told you this several times over and over again, people are for themselves. No one hates you. No one hates you. People are just for themselves. Ado meho tu ni undu wao. Kana ni maraguturithia. Kana matiraguturithia. They don't care. They're just there for themselves. And they will do anything to get where they want to be. They don't care if they step on you, if they drag you. Yes. Haya, mine. If people want to, they will. That's my favorite of all time. Mudo agikonienda gukuona. Imagine if they want to see you, if they want to meet you, if they want to understand you, if they want to love you. Imagine they will. It's just that whatever agikoniwa feel like mudo shonera aku let down, it's because they don't want to, and you're not their priority. Yes. The second one for me was that people change and it's not on you. Mundu ni aliokira uguo kiroko kimwe akwire I used to love you, now it's not on you. Ni mundu ngiaronire mwega gugukira na kou, and you shouldn't beat yourself. Ati to mundu ucio ni aracenjirie, their feelings changed, their mentality changed. No, it's not on you, it's on them. People change, gutakire undu ngika. All right. Yakwa yake ni atiriri, relationships are everything. How you are relating with people is everything. If someone needs your services, I remember, oh, kwina bill ha. Nebona modo photography juge na nidonete bisha cia fulani. How you relate with people is everything. Onoria ucio mutumia ucio koragwo hau nja ucio gutinagiria nyeni. Muthuri ucio kurehagira gasi. Ucio kurugagira githeri, ucio kuroragira mwana daycare. They are everything, and make sure that in as much as you don't be 100% okay with everyone, at least geria muno gukorwo with a good relationship with everyone. People. Exactly. Hata with yourself. Okay, ni my base as a woman. As a woman, I've learned to never give up something because of a man. The drama initially like dreams, goals. We've most of the time tuiguaga ngano like mundu ni agire guthie wira handu eteirwo tondu they had a man and the man ndarenda ati uthie kuraihu tondu ni ala feel like maybe a long distance relationship won't work ama because they are so insecure that that job is not meant for you. Please don't give up because of a man. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Even as a man, don't give up your goals, some dreams because of a woman. Yeah, it's not worth it. Hiya, hey, where? Okay, that one, hey. The other one, its happiness is internal. Kote modo kore hagira gekeno, ati aga kunyitira unaba. You see, if you're not okay with yourself, if I'm not happy today, onogerie Ngai kunjira nginya windi na ndo. But when I'm okay with myself first, when I'm happy with myself, when I accept that now this is me today, this is the mood that I want to be in,
happiness is internal.
With peace.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's
Ziko within too.
exactly. Ndukaterea mundu agukenia ati unajua if my boyfriend is angry at me now I can't be happy. Oh, takena.
You know, if you go to Alpha Kid, you'll be happy. The other one, number 4, right?
Yeah.
Yes, to always be myself. One thing I've come to realize with people, no now to fake like ugakoraga now you're faking your accent, people will not respect you. You have to be yourself in order to earn respect from other people.
Haya, ewe gitondu turero ihinda ni guthirira athira. Failures are stepping stone. Ati tondu umuthi ni wagwa ni wagagikio ati ru gutura thi. No, step on that ruga hau hangi. Na o muthenya na ikireka riario. Umuthi ukira ni wagwa umuthi rucio ri try something different. And then there's something else I feel like to ferete ni kuduaga the same thing expecting different outcomes. We have to do something different nigetha tukona a different outcome. Na the more you try ona Ngai matu-ini akauga ai karia mani ai rathima akera Jesu akoragwo mwena wake wario akoragwo mwena wake wario tadathimira karia.
So tuko number 5 ya mwisho.
Yeah.
I'm also learning, this one is a learning process for me. I'm learning to say no. Not everything deserves a yes. Otolia ugire kiroko, there's beauty in saying no. And sorry to say so, I don't know even I'm sorry. I'm not even sorry. But nyona atado igima kuwa mundu wa na to ini urio ukiregire urati do ugitikira ni sawa ni gwika. Yes, ndijukire rucio ntugacemania hana ni sawa ni ngoka. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so I'm also learning to say no. Not everything deserves a yes.
Me, my last one, purpose gives life depth. Wakira rucini ri, wakira gwika atia? Because you just can't wake up or fwa now expect that your life will have a purpose, as in you'll have a nigukorwo na riumiriro muturire-ini. When you wake up today kana ri ukiria rucini ri no ugire atiriri umuthi ndirathie muthingi na gwika ABCD na ni ri njokirire muthe ni njugire atiriri ndakinya muthingi ri ngwambia na wira uyu ndikie na uyu nigetha riri muthenya ucio ri maundu maria ngubangite ri ndahingia. So let us have purpose in life. Yes. Na mwirori wa Muthingi TV hau niho tuko tukinikiria tafarira ya umuthi yuma it was so deep na tutinareki horo wa family tondu tuguthie na mbere gukorwo tukiaririria acigie micii na makirio no korwo no ndugu iria tugikoretwo tukiiga ana maundu mothe maria maikoragwo makihutia ruriri kana society tuguthie na mbere tugikorwo tukimaririria nginyagia muthenya ungi nie Ngai wa moya kwende kuige na kurathime gitika kairitu ka mathako that sports girl wa Bui wa Njau.
Nani get your bill hanya gothie till next Saturday. Bye bye.